Hi, my name is Christina de Leon and I'm a doctoral student at the Bard Graduate Center. The object I like to chat about today is this lovely little clay pot. It's from northern New Mexico. It's made by hand using the Coil technique, and it was made with wild micaceous clay. This type of material is really special because the clay is embedded with these little bits of mica which give it this wonderful glistening appearance, which makes the piece look like it's almost made of gold. What I also really admire about this piece is the attention to detail that was placed on the surface. Not only does it glisten, but it has these wonderful veins which were made with horsehair by embedding the horsehair on top of the surface and then pit firing it to create this wonderful pattern.